Hello, this is Ted T.S. Phillips from astroadvisor.com. It's Friday, August 4th. I thought I would share a very interesting chart for Apple Computer. And this is a warning sign that an important top may have just completed a couple days ago. The big news of the week, the hype in the week, is Dow 22,000. But if you look more deeply, of course, much of the gain was related to one stock, and that is Apple Computer. Now there's a major aspect happening coming up soon on the retrograde of Mercury, and that's going to be on August 12th. And Mercury is going to be forming a close opposition, that's a 180-degree aspect, to Neptune in Pisces. So on the chart right now is a daily price chart for Apple Computer. And you can see the nice gap up on the earnings release on August 2nd. Now if we put the planetary line for Mercury, the longitude of Mercury for this important opposition coming up on Mercury's station retrograde on the 12th, you're going to notice something that happened on the high. And I'm going to throw in the chart and you're going to see it on the white line, and there it is. This is the longitude of Mercury, and as you can see here, price is going up and gaps up and completes a high right precisely at the longitude of Mercury, related to the Mercury Neptune opposition. So this is no coincidence. This is a red flag. This is definitely a profit point for Apple. And if we throw on another planetary line for the opposition, Mercury to Neptune, you'll see where the two planetary resistance lines come together. And that is right at the high here at almost 160 and extends to about 160 and 34 cents. So around 160 is key resistance for Apple Computer, and that would be an excellent profit point and a red flag. There's no way at this point to still be long Apple unless it broke through on good volume a $160 barrier. So that's what would happen. These are the conditions to go long again, but this is a red flag that a top, at least short term, probably completed for Apple. Now a good sell signal would be when the low of this bar here on August 3rd was taken out about 155, and then as you can see, planetary support is way down here about 142, and this is also at the Neptune line. You see how well this worked and held support back in June and July. So this is the target. We probably should at least fill in the gap here, and this would be the downside target objective, about 142. And this is a red flag for tech stocks especially, and the overall market. So there you have it. This is a good opportunity and a chart to keep a close look on.